I am using AI Writer to write an article about AI Writer. So all I did was create a free account. With a free account, you get a trial for 7 days with 12 credits. I do not know yet what a credit represents, but I used the research plus write function. All I put was my topic. So here my topic is this product itself, AI Writer, and it is supposed to take about 1 minute to complete. And let's see the quality of this article. So with AI Writer, you can use Research plus Write to write article. So if you use the one-click article, all you do is write your topic, click on the one-click article and wait for your articles. Or if you use the tailor-made article function, if you press the Help button, you can choose the headline, keywords, subtopics, word count, and much more. So there are different options, and you can also choose the number of words. So for this example, I just left the amount of 1,000 words. You can also use the topic suggest. So as it mentions, to find your subtopics. You have the summarizer function. The summarizer function will summarize large text to shorten them for a quick understanding. You can also compose emails with AI Writer by entering the purpose of the email, the tone and style, describing the content of the email. You can write social media posts. So not sure how good is it. Maybe we will try it later. I usually use ChatGPT to actually write my own social media post. You can also use this tool as a proofreader to improve grammar, spelling, and style of your text or draft. So when you have written an article yourself, not only an article, a text, you can simply paste your text here and ask the AI to improve your text. You can also use the text reorder, so it's kind of a rewriter. It will, as mentioned, take an old text and rephrase it into something new. So the same content, but with new and different words. And finally, you have a plot generator for literature writing. So if you want AI to write a book, a plot for you. Now, let's just have a quick look at the subscription options. So here's the price. So if we pay monthly, it's flexible. If we pay annually, we get 2 months free. So basically around a 10% discount. And if you go with annually payment, the basic costs $24 per month. For one user, 480 computing units, 5,000 words per article, 2.4 million words total. So actually, that's quite a lot of content. Actually, how many? Let's check. So 2.4 million divided by 5,000. Oops, I meant 2 4 divided by 5. It's 480 articles of 5,000 words. So that's pretty good value. I'm not sure if the quality will follow, but let's have a look. And you have higher tiers, one at $41 per month for free user for 7.2 million words. So 3 times the amount of words, 3 times the amount of computing units of users, actually 3 times more of everything for only twice as much, even less. Okay, and finally you have the big package for 10 users. Actually, that's written here, 480 pieces of content, so 480 articles per year. Okay, so this is per year, not per month. 480. So the 2.4 million words in total is for the whole year, not for the month. Okay. So, yes, so that makes divided by 12, 40 articles per month for $24. Okay, now that's totally different. Okay, so about 50 cents per article. Okay. And with the middle tier, you get 1,440 pieces of content, so articles, kind of. Okay, and finally with the bigger tier, 12,000 pieces of content for the whole year. Okay, with lots more of everything. Okay. Here they explain what are computing units and everything. Okay, now let's have a look at our article that has been generated. If it has been generated, here we go. So we have our first article and it used 1 credit. So one article, 1,000 words, 1 credit. So actually with this trial, you can get 12 articles of around 1,000 words, apparently. Okay, let's have a look. So we can download as text, we can print it, we can edit it. and we can share it. Let's start by opening this article about AI writer. Let's see if AI writer can write about AI writer. And here you have this article, information. So on the left we have an article, and on the right the source with links to the sources. Okay, introduction to AI writers, how AI writers work, advantages of AI writers, type of contents, blah blah blah. So actually it is actually kind of totally wrong. It did use itself as a source, which should actually must be the case because we wanted an article about the tool, and yeah, and everything else is coming from somewhere else, but we have all the sources displayed, which is pretty interesting. However, we missed the point because we wanted really this whole article to be actually about the first kind of the first source, this product itself. Unfortunately, the links are not directly inserted in the text. So if you want to insert a link, you will have to do it yourself, I guess. And let's see how we can share it and publish it. So what happens if we share this article? Let's check this link. What is it? Okay. So it just showed this article. Okay, so actually they self-publish the articles. We can simply share this page, which is actually a kind of nice functionality, but there is kind of no simple option to share it, for example, to WordPress. So we have to copy paste and edit, whereas some other tools are directly publishing onto the tool. Okay, so this is the result. I will share the link in the description, and you can have a look for yourself if you like this AI writer or not. Yeah, so let us know in comment, how do you like this tool? Which tool are you using? And is it better or worse than your other tools? So far, it doesn't really seem like the best, but it's okay. And for the price, given the price around $0.50 per article, as they say, 5,000 words, it's pretty good. So let's see about the content. I will let you judge by yourself. Thank you.